Oil, daily forecast, April 10th, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude markets have been falling as of late, as you can see on this daily chart. But something interesting has happened on Monday, and that is a fall to just above the 100 mark. Basically, it's based off the 102, but you can see that we have formed a hammer and an uptrend. We have pulled back, but when you step back and you actually look at the action, it is a pretty logical place to see some type of support as we are coming back and retesting this breakout. So now the question is whether or not the oil markets go up. Well, having said all of this, the Canadian dollar also formed a shooting star at the parity level, which could show Canadian strength as well. Normally the two move hand in hand, so we have a little bit of a confluence there. Plus the sell-off that originally started in the session based mainly upon the idea that the Iranians are willing to speak to the U.S. and its allies now about its nuclear program, did of course sell the oil markets off. But after a while, I think cooler heads may have stepped in, as we know that quite often these gestures really lead to nothing. If they did lead to something, we wouldn't be talking about this whole problem right now. So having said that, it looks like the oil markets may be due for a bounce, and as such, we're willing to put a position on a break of the highs from the Monday session. The 195 level below is just simply far too strong for us to even consider selling anyways. So really, on a break higher, we're willing to go long in this market, at least for a couple bucks. I think we'll be able to get, once we get to 106 to 108, we may find a little bit of a struggle, but in the meantime, it does look like we have a little bit of room to the upside.